All right. Good day. I just want to make a video on how I made the popcorn thing, the item popcorn. So basically, this mod will any item inside in it, it will popcorn outside to the world. So that's about it. So first, if you can see, I'll begin play with the parent delay, and then I'm setting a config first. So let's go with that. Setting a config is like it needs to be dedicated server and player server, not in the client. So make sure it's not on preview mode as it can be canceled as well. So we are setting it only the moment the player um, plays the structure. Also, why we are trying to eliminate the client on this side because game mode is only works on servers. So first, init option. So I just declare my config section here, so I don't write it again and again. It just connect the pin like that. Much cleaner for me. Also, this one init option. If it doesn't exist, it will put it in your game user setting. But I haven't tried. I think it's only for user. I mean single player, but I haven't seen it in the server, like putting this one in the server, like automatically. But at least I put it there. You can see that I'm putting a current value there, popcorn interval. So every zero point 0.5 seconds, it will pop up your item. So it's up to you if you want to like every second, every 5 seconds. It's up to you. So optimize to your server, right? So I just put it there. Auto popcorn interval. This one is when you turn on the automatically popcorn. So whenever you transfer an item, it will popcorn in the every 10 seconds. It's right here. That's the default. And then this one, I just put it there. Max inventory slot. If you want higher than that, like 1,000 or depend on you. At least I put it in the config. Same as here. This is the setter. I mean getter, because you're not setting it. Get and set. That's what I mean. So it will get to your game user setting and then set it to your um the variable itself. So like that. Yeah. See, I think I should make this multicast as it's needs to be in the client as well. I think let's see if there's something wrong. But I tried my mods. It worked properly. So this one is just the max inventory that I just make it like ref notify because I'm changing the UI. It's not changing. So the moment it can load the server, when it loads, it's still default. So I need to ref notify to add some function in it. So I'll show you my function anyway. So the moment it changed, the values change, this one will trigger. So for example, yeah, putting max inventory, your inventory component, and then yeah, so putting absolute max inventory item. I don't know what is this dot, but yeah, just add it. Refresh inventory. I think this is on client only. Then when it's in authority, the server refreshes as well. So going back to our begin play. So yeah, I'm just making sure it's not this is just the arrow. So the moment you are I think I hide it. Yeah. You will see an arrow where it's facing. So you'll see where the item will drop as well. This is like flying up and down. Yeah. So when I place it, I just catch how it plays, then make sure that it's not preview, then hide the arrow after that. And then Okay, so going to our multi-use. So I just created two kinds of multi-use. So I will show you in the game. Here, I put it here. It's the moment it drops the egg, and then it will hatch because I have a air conditioner here, and then it will auto grind everything you know I want. So this is I don't know why it's not rendering a texture here. So yeah, um, when I build it, popcorn, yeah, it's automatically popcorn items and then popcorn items. So yeah, it's here. You can popcorn items because it doesn't have anything in it. Um, and yeah, popcorn items also. So this is the automation, like automatically popcorn and on and off, like that. Yeah. So maybe I'll make it like it stays when it's clicked, so you don't need to press E again if you wanna turn it off right away. So yeah, going back to the code. So this is just maybe like this. Now let's find a way. Yeah, persist will on activation, something like that. So let's check. Right. Then just I will upload it anyway. Update the thing. So what else here? So I just made this one. Make it like 1900125 and then um table use is just like that, and then the icon if you want the sound and the icon. I'm changing the icon based on its status. Also here added another one, uh, popcorn, disable use if it's on, it will disable. I think this is the when it's auto pop. This one is if it's this one enabled, doesn't make sense that you are clicking it manually. But it's up. I think it's okay, right? Even if like automatic, if you want to send it, right away, like like that. Not sending it like auto popcorn. Like let's go to try multi-use when it's actually clicked, or it's when it's actually yeah when it's actually being clicked. So when it's popcorn, true or false. If it's true, turn it off. If it's false, turn it on. Then I'm clearing it. This one. I think this one should be replicated. Okay, so um, I'm gonna test it anyway. So here, I have this like uh, this one setting it function so it will call looping based on your interval. So my default interval is like 10 seconds. So it will call drop all loop function and then set the timer. So it will loop forever unless you pause it. So the other one is the manual. So drop all loop. This one has a loop inside of it. It will it need to be looped like uh when you drop an item one by one. It needs to be on loop or else it will not drop everything. There's no function like drop all or something. To be one by one. So I'm getting all the items. Maybe I need to like um, cache this items because uh, I know that if you are doing references more to local variable like local inventory item, inventory like, like we are setting it because I don't wanna touch the real reference because the real reference is like um, doing its thing already. Or probably we need that one. It's not local because um wait, maybe just put it back. I'm doing some updates real time on it. Cause yeah, we have some remove items here, so it needs to be the reference. I didn't know that. Okay. So yeah, when you loop the first item iterated, and then you need the item ID in it, and then remove item. I use the Drew drop so it will pop up, then inventory refresh. So I don't know if this really works. So maybe um, what so the authority. We can make use of this like the same thing, right? Drew drop all loop. That's a drop all. Okay. Target is primal structure item content. Like so inventory refresh. I don't know. Yeah, it needs to be. You need to have the um that thing in it. So I don't have any problem with refreshing the inventory. It's okay. I haven't seen any issues with that. So I think that's okay. So I after that it will invalidate the timer. After the loop. So it will stop by itself. So it's not gonna throw anything item or it's still running the function like that. Okay. So I think that's all. That's all. Just you're just calling the drop all here, and then yeah, this is the item, and then just drop it, and then yeah, that's okay. So yeah, I think that's about it. So about the mm, I didn't know like the placing. You need to change the snap. I mean the trigger on this one because it derived from a box, so you need to replace it if you're changing some mesh. Okay, that one. So I think that's about it. I don't know if I yeah no, that's not the one. Got a lot of things going on here. So in terms of optimization, what you could do is this one popcorn interval. It's it looks like that it will pop so fast. This no, this one popcorn interval. Point 0.5 is a little bit fast, you know. So if you have like it might log you while it's doing its thing because there's a lot of effects on egg. I can show you anyway. Um, I got a mod demo on this one, but anyway, I'll show you. Let's get our eggs here. I think all those eggs are reject, so I'm not worried about throwing them out. So I think it's automating dropping. No, will automatically did it drop. Yeah, it's dropping now. See, that's so fast, right? I wish we can turn off the aircon. 'Cause if you don't want this to get too high, so that's too much. Sometimes eggs here get stuck as well. but it will ground up because it's right about here. The trigger box for um, grinder is right higher than higher than that, so it will ground up. See that? So that's too much. So it's still grinding up. I thought there's some left. So yeah, just do this if you want to send them away. Yeah. All good. So I think that's about it. Let's get to my code as well. So yeah, you see it live. Yeah. Thank you for watching.